My next question, Nico, is what's inside the cosmic tower and how does it work?
Yeah, and most of you that have seen a picture of the cosmic tower, you've not seen a power cord hanging off of it. Neither does your body have a power cord coming off of it that you plug in every night to get your life force. Neither does the tree in your garden, because nature has its own way to bring energy in and to pull in energy. So if you look at the cosmic tower, most people know the outer part of it, which is maple wood. So you basically have a box. And then we get that question a lot: what about the glass balls and those are pure decorative. They do not have a function, right? That's the outer part of it. Now, in the inner part, what you have is you have two glass containers, one at the top and one at the bottom, and a crystal in the center. Now, in these glass containers, healing waters are put, and this is a very special blend of healing water that has the full range of light. If you look at light, the rainbow spectrum being the whole spectrum, I mean, a big part of the spectrum, of the physical spectrum of our reality. Imagine all of those frequencies being in that water. Now, this water is not like your tap water at your house. This water is Fort Face water, and this is the Gerald Pollack work. And basically what it comes down to is that when you put water in a Fort phase, it gets very different properties than liquid water or water in a gas form or in a solid form. It becomes like a liquid crystal. And you get a hexagonal structure in the water, which then allows us to hold charge, to hold electricity. So the water in the cosmic tower is in a Fort phase, meaning that you have to look more of it as a ginormous reservoir of energy, of a plasma, of a cold plasma. Now, we have that at the top and at the bottom. And then the top one is basically informed to start spinning clockwise. So it starts spinning clockwise. At the bottom, starts spinning counterclockwise. So you have two opposite charges that start rotating. And then this toroidal field opens up. Now, in the center is where there's a portal, which is where you basically get an access point to the 0 point. Many of you probably know about portals, but basically these are places, these are access points to other dimensional energies. And from there, then, once that is created, in the center, in that crystal, there's a soul attached to it, which we have talked about to regulate the energy. We can go more into detail later. But basically, in the center is where that access point is to the 0 point. This is why the cosmic tower does not require the grid or you to borrow the power source externally. Because once that toroidal field is created, there's a continuous throughput of new and higher dimensional energy, like happens within our own bodies, right?